We're also gonna focus on one of the question which appeared in Indian Olympiad. I don't know if it's pre-RMO or RMO, but it was a good question. So, given is a square ABCD. And given that this angle is 15, this angle equal to this angle, which is 15 degrees each, meet at a point P, then prove that APB is equilateral triangle. So I'll give you some time to solve it. I would prefer if you would not use trigonometry here, like using cosines and sines of angle 15 degree. You may pause the video. So I've given you enough time. So there's a clever construction involved here. So let's say I'll choose a point here. I'll make this also as 15 degree, and this also is 15 degree, right? So now let's call this point as Q, right? So as this is a square and as CPD and triangle CQB are isosceles triangles, both having the same base or equal base, as CD is equals to BC, and same angle 15 degree each and 15 degree base angles. So both the triangles are congruent. So if they are congruent, then side PD equals to PC due to isosceles triangle, which is equal to CQ and BQ, right? But now let's look at angle PCQ. This is 90 minus 15 degree from CPD and minus 15 degree from QCB, which is equals to 60 degree. So this is an equilateral triangle. No, this is an isosceles triangle with 60 degree. Therefore, both of these angles must be equal and should be equal to 60 degree each. Hence, one important point to note is that, let me highlight it with the blue color, that if in any isosceles triangle one of the angle equals 60 degree, then it is an equilateral triangle. This is a very important point. This is often neglected by students in the Olympiad. So please remember this. So now we can see that angle PQC is also equal to 60 degree, and angle CQB is also is equal to 150 degree, because of 180 minus 15 from this side, which is equal to 150 degree. Therefore angle PQB will be equals to 150 degree. 150 plus 150 is 300, plus 60 360. Angle around Q is 360, and hence we can see that this isosceles triangle PQB is congruent to triangle BQC, and therefore this is the same as BC. PB is the same as BC. You can pick these 2 points here. So PB equals to BC. Similarly, if we do the same construction on this side, we can get that AD is equals to PA, right? And therefore PAB is equilateral triangle, because this is the side of square. Suppose A, and this length is also A. We proved that this length and these lengths are A as well, and therefore it is equilateral. The other way to see this is also that angle PBC equals to 30 degree, and as angle B is 90 degree in the square, so the remaining angle is 60 degree, right? Similarly, this angle will also come out to be 60 degree, and hence we have proved that triangle PAB is equilateral triangle. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it.